Welcome back, coin collectors and treasure hunters. Today we're diving into the top 3 most valuable Australian 50-cent coins that are worth big money in today's market. These coins may look ordinary at first glance, but depending on the year, condition, and rarity, some have sold for thousands of dollars. Let's get started. First up, the commemorative Australian 50-cent 2010 coin in very fine condition, a stunning issue that celebrates national unity and has quickly become one of the most talked about modern coins associated with strong market interest and long-term value potential. The year 2010 holds special meaning in Australia's commemorative coin history. This coin was issued to celebrate Australia Day, a moment that reflects national identity, shared values, and the spirit of togetherness that defines the country. From the moment of release, this coin captured attention far beyond everyday circulation. As a commemorative issue, the 2010 Australian 50-cent coin stands apart from regular designs. It was created not just for spending, but to tell a story, making it instantly more appealing to collectors who focus on meaning, symbolism, and limited-themed releases. The obverse of this coin features the fourth portrait of Queen Elizabeth II facing right, wearing the elegant girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. This refined portrait brings a sense of authority and continuity, connecting the coin to the broader history of Commonwealth coinage. Designed by the renowned sculptor Ian Rank Broadley, the obverse design is admired worldwide. His initials, IRB, are proudly displayed, adding prestige and recognition that collectors highly value when assessing modern coins. The clear lettering Elizabeth II Australia 2010 frames the portrait beautifully, reinforcing the coin's official status and commemorative importance. In very fine condition, these details remain sharp and visually impressive. Turning to the reverse, the design immediately commands attention. Created by Vladimir Gottwald, it presents a map of Australia formed entirely from flowing ribbons, symbolizing unity, diversity, and shared national pride. The imagery of young and old Australians banded together by these ribbons is deeply meaningful. It transforms the coin into a visual celebration of community, making it emotionally powerful and highly memorable. The reverse lettering, "Celebrate What's Great, Australia Day," along with the denomination 50 and the VG initials completes the design with balance and clarity. This message-driven artwork is one of the main reasons collectors continue to pursue this coin. Very fine condition plays a crucial role in the coin's desirability. Light circulation with strong detail preservation ensures the designs remain vibrant, giving collectors the best of both authenticity and visual appeal. Commemorative coins like this often experience growing demand over time as collectors recognize their cultural importance. The 2010 Australia Day 50-cent coin is no exception, showing consistent interest in collector circles. Rarity in modern coins is often driven by how many examples remain in attractive condition. As years pass and coins are lost, damaged, or heavily worn, very fine examples become increasingly valuable and sought after. The combination of a respected obverse designer and a symbolic reverse artist adds a layer of collectability that strengthens this coin's market position. Designer recognition is a major factor for serious numismatists. In the current auction market, this commemorative 50-cent coin continues to show strong activity. Prices in dollar terms reflect steady demand, particularly for clean, well-preserved, very fine examples. Collectors who focus on Australia Day issues see this coin as a cornerstone piece. Its message, design, and official commemorative status give it lasting relevance within themed collections. One important tip for collectors is to protect the coin's surfaces. Even very fine coins benefit greatly from careful storage, which preserves sharp lettering and original finish. Avoiding cleaning is essential, as natural surfaces are highly prized. Coins that retain their original look always perform better in the collector market. Tracking auction results and collector forums can provide valuable insight into rising trends. The 2010 commemorative 50-cent coin frequently appears in discussions about modern Australian coins with strong growth potential. Coins that could make you a millionaire often begin as meaningful commemoratives with wide appeal. This coin fits that profile perfectly, blending national pride with artistic excellence. Its story-driven design ensures ongoing interest from both seasoned collectors and new entrants to the hobby. This broad demand base strengthens long-term market confidence. As international collectors increasingly explore Australian commemorative issues, the 2010 Australia Day 50-cent coin stands out as a visually striking and culturally rich example. The ribbon map design remains one of the most creative representations of Australia ever used on a circulating commemorative coin. This uniqueness is a powerful driver of sustained demand. Each passing year adds to the coin's historical weight. What began as a celebration becomes a preserved moment in time, captured permanently in metal. In conclusion, the commemorative Australian 50-cent 2010 coin in very fine condition is far more than spare change. It is a celebration of unity, a showcase of world-class design, and a highly demanded modern collectible in today's active auction market. For collectors seeking coins with meaning, beauty, and strong dollar value potential, this Australia Day issue stands proudly as a standout piece in Australian numismatic history. Next up, the Australian 50-cent 1983 coin in very fine condition, a strong and iconic decimal issue that continues to generate excitement in the collector world and fits perfectly into conversations about coins that could make you a millionaire through smart long-term collecting. The year 1983 represents a dynamic period in Australia's modern history, and the coinage of this era reflects a confident and established decimal currency system. By this time, the 50-cent coin was deeply embedded in everyday life, making the 1983 issue a genuine product of real circulation and national economic activity. Struck by the Royal Australian Mint, the 1983 Australian 50-cent coin showcases dependable craftsmanship and enduring design quality. Even decades later, examples in very fine condition display impressive clarity, highlighting the strength of Australia's minting standards during this period. One of the most distinctive features of the Australian 50-cent coin is its 12-sided shape. This unique dodecagonal design gives the coin instant recognition and makes it one of the most visually striking circulating coins in the world. The obverse of the 1983 coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, symbolizing continuity and stability. This portrait anchors the coin firmly within Australia's constitutional and numismatic heritage, adding historical weight that collectors deeply appreciate. The reverse proudly displays the Australian coat of arms, with the kangaroo and emu supporting the shield. This powerful national symbol reinforces the coin's identity and gives it a timeless patriotic appeal that resonates strongly with collectors. Very fine condition plays a major role in the desirability of this coin. Light circulation, where combined with strong detail preservation, allows collectors to enjoy both authenticity and visual excellence in a single piece. The natural color and surface character of a very fine 1983 coin add depth and personality. These features tell the story of real-world use while maintaining sharp design elements that enhance collector value. Although the 1983 50-cent coin was widely used, collector demand has steadily grown over the years. As more examples are secured in private collections, attractive pieces in very fine condition are becoming increasingly sought after. Rarity in modern decimal coins is often shaped by condition rather than original mintage alone. Coins that survive decades of circulation while retaining strong detail naturally rise in desirability as time goes on. The Australian 50-cent series is one of the most actively collected areas of Australian numismatics. The 1983 issue benefits greatly from this popularity, making it a key date for collectors building comprehensive sets. In today's auction market, the 1983 Australian 50-cent coin continues to show healthy activity. Well-preserved examples in very fine condition attract confident bidding and achieve strong dollar values that reflect consistent demand. Collectors appreciate this coin for its balance of accessibility and long-term potential. It remains obtainable, yet its appeal continues to grow as interest in Australian decimal coinage expands. The phrase, "coins that could make you a millionaire," often begins with iconic designs that maintain demand over decades. The 1983 50-cent coin fits this profile perfectly, combining recognizability with enduring collector interest. Searching through older collections, inherited coin lots, or saved change can sometimes reveal this important issue. Discovering a very fine example is always exciting for collectors who understand its significance. One valuable tip for collectors is to preserve originality. Coins that have not been cleaned or altered retain stronger market appeal and are consistently preferred by serious buyers. Proper storage is essential for maintaining condition. Protective holders or albums help preserve surfaces and prevent further wear, ensuring the coin remains attractive and desirable over time. Staying informed through auction results and collector communities helps track market trends. The 1983 50-cent coin frequently appears in discussions about solid Australian decimal collectibles. Its iconic shape and national symbolism give it appeal far beyond Australia's borders. International collectors increasingly recognize Australian coins for their bold designs and strong cultural identity. As demand continues to rise, competition for quality examples naturally increases. This ongoing interest strengthens the coin's position in the collector market year after year. The emotional connection many Australians have with the 50-cent coin adds another layer of value. Coins that evoke memory and familiarity often enjoy lasting popularity. The 1983 issue stands confidently as a representative of its era, capturing both history and design excellence in a single piece of metal. For collectors focused on long-term growth, the Australian 50-cent 1983 coin offers reliability and strong recognition. Its continued presence in auctions and collections confirms its respected status. In conclusion, the Australian 50-cent 1983 coin in very fine condition is far more than everyday change. It is an iconic national symbol, a highly demanded collector coin, and a strong performer in today's active auction market. For those seeking coins with history, demand, and exciting dollar value potential, this coin stands proudly as a standout piece in Australian numismatic history. Next up, the commemorative Australian 50-cent 1998 coin in black circulated condition, a striking and story-rich issue that celebrates one of the greatest maritime discoveries in Australian history and stands tall among coins that could make you a millionaire through long-term collector vision. The year 1998 marked the bicentenary of the discovery of Bass Strait, a defining moment that reshaped Australia's understanding of its geography. This commemorative coin captures that achievement in metal, transforming an important historical milestone into a collectible that continues to attract strong attention in the modern market. Issued by the Royal Australian Mint, the 1998 commemorative 50-cent coin was designed to honor exploration, courage, and national progress. From the moment of release, it stood apart from standard circulating designs, instantly earning recognition among collectors and history enthusiasts alike. The obverse features the third portrait of Queen Elizabeth II facing right, wearing the King George IV state diadem. This classic and dignified portrait gives the coin a strong traditional foundation, linking it to a respected era of Commonwealth coinage. Designed by Raphael David Maklauf, the obverse carries the initials RDM, a detail that collectors value highly. Maklauf's portrait is admired worldwide for its elegance and depth, adding artistic prestige to this commemorative issue. The clear obverse lettering Elizabeth II Australia 1998 reinforces the coin's official status and commemorative importance. Even in circulated condition, the strength of this design remains visually impressive and commanding. The reverse design is where this coin truly comes alive. Created by Vladimir Gottwald, it features detailed portraits of George Bass and Matthew Flinders, the two explorers whose journey changed Australian history forever. Alongside the portraits, the reverse includes a map showing part of mainland Australia and all of Tasmania, clearly illustrating the geographical significance of their discovery. This educational and visual element makes the coin especially appealing to collectors. The depicted route taken by Bass and Flinders adds movement and narrative to the design. It turns the coin into a miniature historical document, capturing exploration, risk, and achievement in a single powerful image. The reverse lettering, including discovery of Bass Strait 1798 to 1998, Sydney, and the explorers' names, anchors the coin firmly in its historical context. These inscriptions elevate the coin beyond currency into a commemorative artifact. The black circulated color condition adds a sense of age and authenticity. Natural toning developed over years of circulation gives the coin character and depth, qualities that many collectors actively seek. Circulated condition does not diminish this coin's appeal. Instead, it emphasizes its journey through time, reflecting both historical significance and real-world use. Collector demand for exploration-themed commemoratives has grown steadily, and the 1998 base straight 50-cent coin sits proudly within this highly desired category. Its subject matter ensures lasting interest. Rarity in commemorative coins is shaped by demand, condition, and historical importance. As more examples are secured into collections, circulated pieces with strong visual presence continue to gain recognition. In the current auction market, this coin shows consistent activity and competitive bidding. Dollar values reflect its enduring popularity and the strong interest surrounding Australian discovery-themed issues. Collectors appreciate the balance this coin offers between storytelling and design complexity. It appeals equally to numismatists, historians, and those drawn to iconic national narratives. One valuable tip for collectors is to preserve the coin's natural surfaces. Avoiding cleaning ensures the original patina remains intact, which is highly valued in the market. Proper storage further enhances long-term appeal. Even circulated coins benefit greatly from protective holders that maintain condition and prevent unnecessary wear. Keeping an eye on auction trends and collector discussions is essential. The 1998 commemorative 50-cent coin regularly appears in conversations about standout modern Australian issues. Coins that could make you a millionaire often begin as meaningful commemoratives tied to defining national moments. This base straight discovery coin fits that profile with confidence and authority. Its combination of respected designers, powerful historical subject, and bold visual elements gives it strong staying power in the collector market. As international interest in Australian exploration history continues to grow, this coin benefits from increasing global recognition and demand. Each year that passes strengthens the coin's historical weight. What began as a bicentenary celebration has become a permanent tribute preserved in metal. In conclusion, the commemorative Australian 50-cent 1998 coin in black circulated condition is far more than spare change. It is a tribute to discovery, a showcase of outstanding design, and a highly demanded collector coin in today's active auction market. For collectors seeking history, symbolism, and exciting dollar value potential, this coin stands proudly as a powerful and enduring piece of Australian numismatic heritage.